This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the sizzling hot River North neighborhood, a short walk from a CTA Brown and Purple Line stop and steps from bars, restaurants, and the gallery district. I'm on the rooftop pool deck at AMLI 808, a new pet-friendly tower with a full array of amenities. And I'm headed downstairs for a tour of one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished short-term apartments. I'm in apartment 806, a studio, looking out through floor-to-ceiling windows toward a CTA Brown and Purple Line stop a short block away. Turning into a studio apartment, high brushed concrete ceilings, track lighting. There's an Ecobee thermostat, home office desk setup. Comfortably furnished apartment, flat panel TV, very sleek one-wall kitchen. It's a 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage, white quartz counters, tile backsplash, pendant light above the kitchen, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, white quartz counters, and since we're in a Sweet Home Chicago apartment, we have a goodie bag with beverages and carbs, great selection of countertop appliances, and all the cookware, dishware, glasses, cutlery, etc. that you're going to need to be at home and be comfortable for a while. Looking again at the roller shades and floor-to-ceiling windows. Turning toward where you would have entered the apartment. A full-size stacked washer-dryer. A wide wall of closets with custom built-ins. Both shelving, extra linens, and hanging space. And your ironing board, vacuum and broom and etc. It's a Latch keyless entry system, Ecobee thermostat. Looking at blonde wide plank flooring. Turning into the bath, gray tile on the floor. Again, the comforts that you're going to want to be at home with sample toiletries, wide shower, tile extending up to the ceiling, a wide vanity with a vanity with mirror, and a white quartz countertop. AMLI 808 has an appealing location, extensive amenities. You'll find a sweet deal from Sweet Home Chicago with everything you're going to want to be at home for a while.